strong.
Hey guys, Elysian here, back for another video, and today's video I'm gonna not be opening just one mini tin, but I'm going to be opening up 5 of the Shining Fates mini tins. I decided to get 5 more because I just think they're quite nice, and you always don't know what you're gonna pull, so I'm just gonna open them all up. And so probably haven't. Oh, when was the last time I uploaded? About a week and a half ish. What was the last video? Was it my ETV? May have been my ETV. But so, what did we pull last time from this? Oh, what was it? Our Creamy Rainbow, Grim Snarl V for Art, Tapu Koko V, I think. Yeah, well, can't remember on top of my head, but I'll leave a link to the video in the description. So, plus I think the tins just look really nice, so I'm just gonna pop all these. So we get 2 packs and a tin, and oh, we got, that's, I haven't seen that one before, a Mewtwo tin, a info Pokemon card, which I think is pretty neat, and 2 packs. That's, I don't think last time I got Mewtwo coins, did I? What did I get? What were the coins I got last time? I cannot remember. Let's just pop the tins back in the lids, just because it just needs more space. Do they all have Mewtwo coins? Oh yeah, Reshiram, the Reshiram card they pulled. That's another one. I can't remember what those cards are called, the one with Reshiram. But these ones are the one I'm on about. This is one of the cards I pulled during the ETB. Oh no, we have here we go. So the Manaphy coins. So they're not all. What did I get? Did I grab? No, I think I did get 2 Manaphy coins when I've opened up 2 of these things before. So let's just pop her in the middle. I like Manaphy. The Gen 3 movie Sea Temple. I can't remember the exact name of the movie, but that's one of my favorites. That's in my top 3. Top, obviously, I think that's my second. I think my favorite has to be Lucario and the Mystery of Mew. But let's get into actually opening up these packs. I usually just snip the very top. So we are still hunt for the shiny monkey. I'm still on the hunt for that. So let's see what we can get. Did we pull anything from our first pack? Well, this is a hello, Externius. What a first pack to open. You're opening up a VMAX? Sure. Let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna sleeve all my V's and VMAXs with these nice white sleeves. Well, what a pack. What a pack to open. I forgot about those cards, about in this set. And we have a female, and we have a hollow NDB. I'm gonna put the hollows. Put the hollows here in the comments here. So what I'm still after. Obviously, I want the Grookey lineup, Grookey, Fraki over the Boom, because they're my favourite Pokemon in Gen 8. So, Fraki. Now we have a Team Meow Cow. Team Meow Cow is not like, it's good. It heals 50 from your Pokemon, which is decent, and it doesn't get rid of any NT, so it's nice. And we have a hollow Fifno. I pretty much butchered that name every time I try to say it. So, fourth pack, can we pull a, is this one going to be a, I almost said secret, we don't want, no, this isn't Yu-Gi-Oh! It's, don't want, well, I guess they're called rainbows really, but. A Shinx, and that's it. I'm still getting pretty hyped for Gen 4. I'm still getting hyped for that game. And Legends of Arceus. Arceus also seems pretty hype. Still not, yet again, I'm still not that hyped for Pokemon Snap. I never played it growing up, so it's not one of the games I really look for. I'll probably have a playthrough for my first experience. Oh wow, okay, we have a shiny. It's a shiny Forward Center Scorch V. Nice. I was actually tempted of playing this deck, to be honest. And we have, oh, hello again, cool. I actually have a copy of this from the first actual set, but that's nice. Let's sleeve this up, cram around. I used it in my first build of the room just because it allows you to search your deck with 2 cards, which I thought was pretty hype. So yeah, that's pretty nice. I'll pop them here. So yeah, in our fourth pack, we did, no, it was our fifth pack. We pulled a shiny 4R2, but it's the monkey we really want, isn't it? Well, it's a monkey I really want. Like, I've already got one shiny monkey, but I need the others. And we have a shiny Banibi? I can never pronounce this Pokemon name, but okay, we have our first shiny. Well, our second shiny, really. You know what? I always liked white. My favourite types of shiny is like either whites with white and blues. This is why my favourite Pokemon, my favourite shiny is always going to be Gardevoir, and second shiny being Sylveon. And we have, okay, God, I'm getting pretty lucky. Okay, so we have a full art colorless. Search deck for up to 2 rare fossil cards and put them into your bench. But that's actually pretty nice. I personally do not use fossil cards, but you know, let me move everything down. So Actually, the shinies can stay up here, the shinies can just go here, there we go. That's upside down. There we go. And the full arts can, the floats can go up here, the floats can go up here. This can go down a bit more. Okay. Just in case, did I put a shiny? No, did I put any hollows in here? The amount of times I did that, it's just insane. And always when I cut the tops, I make sure the cards are at the very bottom so I don't snip them. I do miss seeing dragons and fairies in Sword and Shield sets. I remember my first surprise when I opened my box. This was the box I opened off camera of the base Sword and Shield set, and at the very end, after going through the cards, sorting them, I noticed there are no dragons or fairies in this set. They've all been put as either normals or psychics, which is always a bit odd, really. Oh my god, Kyogre! Oh, I'm so... You guys can't see, I don't have face cam, so you can't see. This is my favourite legendary, and oh my god. I'll just drop my seat. So, oh, I'm so happy. Oh, I'm so happy. This is I'm gonna put this card in a frame or something. So, and we have a boss's orders. Boss's orders is always a good card to have. But, oh, I just love Kyogre. I'm pretty sure now I have a lot of boss's orders. Final 3 packs. Do you know what? I'm actually really happy with the cards I got so far. Even if I don't pull the shiny monkey, I'm actually quite happy with what I've got. Oh. At least now I have a lot of these, a lot of flackies. Shinx and Hollow Rotom. I still think Rotom's gone such a long way from premiering in Gen 4 and then being used since into a lot of other random jank, especially in Sword and Shield. I think they kind of went a bit overboard putting into a bike. Well, technically it hops out of your phone and jumps into the bike. A bit odd. A bit odd. But yeah. If you guys want some cheap, like small and cheap stuff, tins, I would recommend these shiny Fates mini tins. You just get the good, you get a nice coin, plus you get a chance of pulling, like you could get two full arts in your tin, because the tins are all random packed. So there's always that chance. And you can see for me, I'm actually pulled pretty good. Last pack. What can we get for our last pack? Frankie. Rotom. Weasel. Weasel was my first war Pokemon I caught in 4th gen. My first playthrough I went with Piplup, and then I just liked how Weasel looked, so I caught him. But since then I've always gone with Chimchar because monkey. Don't get me wrong, monkeys are my favourite animal. That has to always be ferrets. This is why I shall pray to the god Ferret to please give me something. That card hasn't arrived yet. I bought probably my favourite ferret card I've actually been having my eye on for a very long time. It's the ferret from Soul Silver and Heart Gold packs. So I'm just waiting for that to arrive. And again, it's just a For our first card, it's just a Team Yellow Towel, and it's just a Yamaka. Okay. So we didn't get lucky in our last pack, but at the beginning we started with this gorgeous looking card, and then near to the end we pulled Kyogre. So I'm actually quite happy with how this has actually gone. So yeah, I'll leave a link to my ETB opening, and I'll also leave a link to my to both my ElysianSplat Twitch and my ElysianSplat YouTube, which I'll be uploading some videos quite soon. Plus, I'll be starting my stream on Twitch on the 4th of May at 6 PM UK time. And before you ask, no, I am not playing any Star Wars games. It's just the only day I have available to start streaming. And I'll be doing I'll be drawing some of my Pokemon designs that I've been doing for a while. Obviously they're all starters, so I've got some prepared and ready to colour in, well, put in colour, so yeah. Hope you guys can join me for that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.